This chapter is called Finding HD Programming. And hey, if you want to stop, pause, go back, or come back later, I'll be right here when you're ready to continue. Now, let's start experiencing true HD. You'll find the HD programs in the 700 channel range. And what an experience it will be. In the 700s, you'll find movies with lifelike images, sports that jump off the screen. All of your HD programming can be found by going directly to the 700 channel range. And the universe of HD on-demand programming is yours to explore on channel 700. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is that your HD TV screen is wider than a standard TV screen. The relationship between the height and width of your TV screen is called the aspect ratio. Now, in the old days, a couple of years ago, the width and height of most TV screens had a ratio of 4:3, also known as standard definition. Not quite a square, but not much of a rectangle either. It's cramped in here. But now, you've got high definition, which uses a more rectangular picture. HD TV broadcasts use the 16:9 ratio, and all new HD TVs are made that way. Roomier. Now let's check out a standard definition channel. This is what a standard definition broadcast looks like on a high definition TV. These big bars are a dead giveaway. It's like putting a 3:5 picture in a 4:6 frame. Now if you're on a high definition channel and the picture fills the entire screen, you know you're watching a high definition broadcast. Now this is important. Sometimes when a program is broadcast in standard definition on a high definition channel, the picture can look like a funhouse mirror, all stretched and stuff. Or it just doesn't look that clear. Your eyes will easily see the difference. We'll talk about how to adjust your picture in the chapter called HD Picture Settings. Now the interactive program guide that you access on your IO remote will be your best friend as you learn your way around HD land. It's that simple. Just press the IO button and then select to access the interactive guide from the main menu. And don't forget, all your HD programming can be found on channels 700 through 799. So take your time, surf around the HD channels and see what's available. And remember, we're adding more HD programming all the time. So use your IO remote to get to the interactive program guide and see what's new. Now you know your way around the 700s. Enjoy your HD programming.